Hey Michael here with another video. The snow is getting interesting out there. As you can see on your screen latest, the OOZ is not done loading all the way. But if we move this up, and this is just what some of the members are saying, we're starting to see that pop up from this to originally this. I think we got a bit of an upgrade there. If you were to ask me, we've got all the snow right there from the 18Z run, which is quite impressive, to be honest with you, that it moved upward in direction. But anyways, let's focus on the 18Z model, and I was going to tell you guys about that, about how we moved to the 15th. Snow developing here. Snow is still possible in all of these areas. We're just still trying to figure out things. You move here, rain, but then it's cold enough for the outbreak of snow. And then some snow popping out there in Charlotte. We continue to move that on out. Green rain is accumulating, and then we start to get far out. So we move this on OOZ run, and it's not loaded all the way. But we're just going to use this as a little bit of an example. It's probably going to drastically change, or maybe just change a little bit. Look at this. We're getting a sort of a southern spin here, a southern coastal storm here for all the beaches is what the GFS is saying. That if that could just load all the way. 18Z European, because I know some people got disappointed when they started seeing that snow. If we miss it on the second one, we're going to try to see if not second one. If we miss it on this first one on Thursday, we're going to see if we can try to get on the second one. National Weather Service out of Columbia, South Carolina. When you look at their winter weather outlook, and these numbers on your screen are going to look low. They're going to be looking odd. They're going to look interesting. Sometimes we see positive. Sometimes we see negative. These numbers could most definitely go up. But that's 1/10 of an inch possibility ratio there. We could just look at the South Carolina probabilities. Possible areas of snow right there. And there, medium long range. Georgia. And then Georgia snowfall. Expected snowfall there in the northern portions of Blairsville, 0 to a trace. See what they're expecting. No ice is expected. And so forth there. National Weather Service in Raleigh, North Carolina does the same thing. Expect the snowfall in the highest elevations just between South Boston, South Hill, Virginia. High end chance 10% trace. Just to show you and give you an update on a little bit of graphics there. Percent chance of 1/10 of an inch. We see all over there, especially eastern North Carolina. And we'll see, this is the upcoming snowstorm, not the one that we're looking at the second storm. This is the upcoming one possibilities. So it is going to be possible to get some snow in all of these. All of these we're trying to track snow on. These storm systems. So don't think you're out of the woods yet for this upcoming storm system. And if it doesn't happen, we'll see what the second one brings. Then we have National Weather Service in Columbia's Facebook page. There you have flurries Thursday morning. Cold air. And then we can zoom this in here. Cold enough mid and low air for snow behind the front, so sufficient moisture for rain and snow showers. The cold air merges with some rain showers that are left over. Snow is possible in portions of the Piedmont or any of those areas that are alongside those regions. So I'm very excited to see what this awaits. But that'll do it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Share this video with a person you know. Remember, these are not forecasts, and we're just trying to grasp a glance to take an idea. I'll see you guys in the next one.